Hello beautiful people, it's Derryn here from Art by Derryn with another ArtStart DIY Christmas. Today it's our Christmas table decorations. I've got a couple of tables for you today. First we're going to start off making some candle covers. I don't know how else you would describe this. Just got some of my leftover hessian, cut a strip of it, adding it with a little bit of hot glue. I fringed the end there, but I decided I didn't want that. Oh, no, I trimmed it, that's right, and then I left it and put that to the back. Tried some string, didn't particularly like that, wasn't festive enough, so added a little bit of snowflake ribbon. Looked at it again for another second and decided to add some greenery to our second one as well. In just a second. And now, there we go. So just a little bit of the pine fir tree and a couple of little berries as well, just to finish it off. Now I've got some of these little milk containers and I'm adding a little bit of string to the top of those. I'm just going to pop some snow in the bottom with a few berries and some pine on top, and I did add one of those little primitive decorations that we made out of popsicle sticks. So here's our first table. It's very simple. I've just made a hessian runner to go in the middle out of an old piece of hessian, and I've put a seam, not a seam, just a row of stitching along the edge to stop it completely fraying, and added some a wreath around some candles in the middle, and just a very simple ribbon around our serviettes there to make this little farmhouse table. Now for the coastal farmhouse table, still using these same napkins from Spotlight. You've probably got time, if I upload this soon, to run out to Spotlight still and grab them if you're interested. They're really pretty, and I ended up using them as a serviette and as a placemat. They were big enough to actually make them into placemats along with the runner. Here I just changed it out. I've got some blue shell candles, and I've got some floating candles in the middle and some greenery as well, some eucalyptus leaves and some gum tree leaves as well. And I think you'll see it in a second. I put the coastal Christmas tree that we made out of driftwood is on the other end as well. And there's some champagne waiting for me and for you. So from my family to yours, I wish you the most joyous of Christmases. Have a wonderful day. If you're celebrating by yourself, plan your day out so that you have a wonderful day as well. And I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Oh, please like and subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye now. Side by side and through